Auto feature too. It's just our tank's too small to, but it's water sealed, right? So gotta really push it. But
actually, while he's demonstrating, so
this is kind of a weird thing for guys, right?
So it is. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's a good question. Because it totally is not part of our usual line.
it's like moving a tank, really.
I'm such a sucker for articulated tails, though.
Yeah.
Always want to kind of like involve in
I gotta get better. This is my second time using this.
keep with our
Everybody's got a
original
camera on.
line, but also just something unique.
You can go backwards too,
Okay.
right?
In conjunction with McFarlane,
Which is
and
ideal
also,
for
I was just like,
this
hey,
tank.
this is cool. It's unique. It's not what I typically can do. So it does have like a little. It's it's full motion range. It's like it's advertising.
Does his mouth open?
It's more in the genre. What I would say is that if it's more in the genre,
Oh, there we go.
not just a toy, it's an element. I don't think McFarlane would really be selling. So, yeah.
Hi there. So do you have an appointment with us?
And it's actually unbound.
So this is McFarlane's first remote control toy, and they made a shark.
It's definitely a product.
They made a shark.
That's very cool. I'm not gonna lie.
That's
It'd
pretty
be cool
good.
if they eat things. Like if there's stuff on the bottom, they can like pick it up. That would be cool.
Yeah, I want to know which button makes him chomp.
Yeah.
So does he chomp? Like, does his mouth open?
Oh, you asked that, and I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't think it. I think it's sculpted on.
Yeah, no, it's sculpted on.
That would
Okay,
be cool.
that's the next version.
Maybe he picks up
We need
things on the
chomping
bottom
action.
of the floor.
Yeah.
We need to go like.
But I'm not very good at this, so I apologize.
That's okay. I got some great shots because you could get like under the water. That's so cool. So, for my friends who are shark suckers, you know who you are.
I've seen some of your interviews online, and true artists at heart, that will never go away.
Right.
So,
Alright, I gotta get back to that.
in stores now. Is this everywhere? Walmart?
Bass Pro Shops.
Okay. Oh, Walmart and Bass Pro Shops. So they're serious.
$29.99.
When are you gonna make the giant one?
That's coming, right?
I hope so. Yes. Yes. Need to make. They need to make this. Everybody get online and yell for it. We need the giant shark. Yes.
This is really cool.
Every pool needs a giant shark.
That sort of shark-like motion.
I love when the tails are articulated
Yeah.
like
For like
that.
pool
Such a
or
simple
bathtub or
thing.
both.
Bathtub.
Any where you want.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is it like
Yes.
in a pool area? Would be really cool.
Guys will start taking baths again.
So yeah, so that's
The coolest thing at Toy Fair.
I like it.
All right. See you guys later.